Hey friends, check this out. This is a 200 watt solar panel. It's a thin film CIGS solar panel made by BougeRV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how this thing works, why it's such a unique tech product, and then we're going to give it a review and see if it's good for your specific solar applications. So we're working on the adventure van today, which makes this a perfect product to try out for our adventure needs. Now you can see this rolled out is really long, but as I showed you in the first part of the video, this thing rolls up super tight for storage and for moving around. Then check this out. Look at how unbelievably thin this thing is. Now, because it's so thin, it does require a lot of extra space, or in this case, length, in order to get that 200 watts of power. In fact, this thing measures in at 7 feet long. Now, this is the Yuma 200 or 200 watt model made by BougeRV. Here's all the tech specs for this specific panel. They do make a 100 watt version of this as well. Okay, so the panel's incredibly thin, but extra long. Why would you need something like this? Well, portability. This thing is unbelievably lightweight, and it's gonna be perfect to mount on top of our adventure van. You see, normally to have a 200 watt solar panel, we would need to put a rack system up on top of our van. It's a lengthy process. You have to drill holes in your roof. And again, you need a little bit of technical expertise to make all that work. This changes that game with how thin it is. Okay, up on top of the van here, you can see how this could actually lay out. Now we have an extra long Sprinter van. This is a 177 wheelbase. And this panel is going to be big enough, but you can also see that it overlaps our fan. So having this permanently on top of our van isn't going to work great for our specific application. And so BougeRV makes two different versions of this. They make a permanent one where there's adhesive on the back of this. You can stick it down to the roof of your RV, your trailer, or again, your Sprinter van. And again, it has this incredibly low profile that again allows it to adhere directly on top of the van. Now, because we choose to keep this modular, and again, because of the portability, let me show you another really quick hack that we love using to get solar power on the van. These are suction cup hooks, and they work perfectly against our windows, creating a hanger area for a solar panel to be on the side of the van. Now the panel is pretty long, so it's gonna cover a lot of window real estate for us. I'm gonna go ahead and stick the first one way up over here. We're just gonna push it down like that. We're then gonna use one of these little grommets that are placed throughout the panel. I'm gonna hook that directly on to that plastic hook. We then have a good place to put our second suction cup hook. I'm gonna put that into place, and then I'm gonna slide it over this other grommet. As you can see, the panel then just sits on the side of our van. Again, as long as the van's parked in that direct sunlight, it's gonna produce some great solar power for us. And it's all temporary. We can take this down, place it in the van, and move at a moment's notice. Now, the suction cup idea probably gives you some other interesting creative ideas for how these solar panels can be mounted and used. Again, because they're hyper portable, we can take a hook system, we can put it on the outside of our off-grid cabin, on a roof, on a storage bin. Really, anywhere there's direct sunlight, we should be able to set these up really quickly in a nice modular fashion for anywhere where we are camping. Now, the other thing that BougeRV does really well with these panels is they make it super simple to connect to a power station or a battery bank. So in our case, we're going to connect to our power station that we'd like to travel with using this MC4. That's MC4 connections on this end to XT60. And the XT60 is what goes into our power station. So on this side of the panel, you can see we have two MC4 connectors that come out. Those are going to connect to the MC4 ends on the extension cable here. The positive side connects to the red side of the cable. It's a quick, easy snap. And then the negative connects to the black side of the extension cable. Okay, once we've run that MC4 to XT60 connection cable, we are going to bring it over here into our power station. And this is a power station that we can plug everything from our van into to get all sorts of power. In fact, we get days worth of power out of this. And then being able to power up through that 200 watt solar panel every day really extends our adventure trips. Now these power stations are very similar. Most of them in the back, you'll find this XT60 connector, which is this right here. I'm just gonna plug this straight in, and that is it. The panels are now powering our power station, recharging it with solar power. Okay, we're out here on the back deck with our power station because I again want to show how amazing the portability of this super lightweight solar panel is. So back here, our roof is actually facing a really good direction to get the best possible sunlight right now in this late winter season. So let's see how many watts this is producing. Looks like 181 watts. Just a minute ago, this was all the way up to 198 watts. So again, in this late winter season, this is probably the best possible angle. We're still getting almost all of those 200 watts of input. Again, this is incredible for off-grid options. We keep this at our house in case we have power outages. And so having the ability to power up with the sun, again, right here at the house, so cool. So we've given you guys a couple ideas for how this super lightweight modular panel can be used in multiple applications. Here to power the van in multiple options, on the roof, on the side, on our back deck as a system goes down backup method, or at our off-grid cabin using, again, that hook system to create little stations around our property where the panel is going to pick up the most sunlight during the day. But again, that's our highly modular method for using this panel. This does come with a fairly hefty price tag. And so it really is only going to be for somebody who wants to have this, not necessarily in a modular fashion, but a permanent fashion on top of their RV, their trailer, or their van. That's where this thing absolutely excels. So there you go. That is the BougeRV Yuma 200 super flexible solar panel. Crazy thin, crazy lightweight. There's all sorts of really neat applications out there for how it can be used. And I'm excited to recommend it and see how it works for you guys. If you want to grab one of these for yourselves, you can get it right here on Amazon. In fact, we'll put some links in the description box below where you can pick it up for yourself. And then stay tuned because we do a ton of these little solar/DIY/tool videos to really help your experience, hopefully your shopping experiences on places like Amazon as well. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay tuned, and we'll see you again on the next one.